Okay, so here we are tonight, and we're gonna be here for the rest of the day, and then tonight we are at the car show, and there's tons of different cars. Like if you can see them in the background, like I'll probably show you more about them, more with them later. But I'm here with ACBC, and they are going to be displaying the bikes that they've made and the ones that they still have in for show. So we'll let everybody see them, and we'll come back to you soon. Okay, so here's all the brats. They're all, hooking it up. Look,
She was only talking about you anyway, so.
I was not actually. I was totally talking about you, Kyle, because you're a brat.
Thank you.
Yes. And we've got Jeremy working. We always put Jeremy to work first.
Yeah.
And Amanda's doing her wifely duty as, hanging around and being supportive.
Arguing.
Okay.
Are we having...
Oh, no, you're not actually walking in front of me because it's right on top of me. All right, so we're still setting up. They're just going to unload the car now. And so we have, it's a car show here at Perks Arena, and that's what we're doing. And so far we have 3 of the bikes here. We've got 3 more bikes. I think there's 3 more bikes coming. So let's see the bikes here. Let's look at the bikes. No, I haven't done video on the car show. I've done it on the bikes. On these bikes.
What kind of metal?
I love
What? Hi. You check out this bike. This bike is pretty picky.
That's sweet.
Okay, so I have to admit the Freak Show has probably got the best bikes here ever. And you can see that there's a skull there on the tank. That is freaking cool. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Now this is my favorite bike because it has skulls on it, and I love skulls.
Check out the rear fender on it.
The rear fender. Can I go in here? Oh my freaking god! I love the fender. Okay, I've totally fallen in love with this bike now.
I like that one.
No, I like the sleekness of this. I like the sleekness of this bike, but I love this one because of the skulls. That is wicked stuff. That is pretty freaking cool. Nope, I'm sorry, I like this one. Look at the skulls on here. Check this out. Holy fuck. Yeah, we can look at the shirts. You can't even see it there, Annabelle, because I'm on this side. See? You have to be on this side with me. Say hi. So we're back at the car show, and we're going to show you a bunch of the bikes and a bunch of the cars. It's going to be a blast. This is now a racing bike. That is pretty awesome. Look what you're missing, Robert. These are pretty nice cars. And of course there's music in the background. Can't help that. It's just the way it is. Because they all have background music to them. And you can turn around and, look at the engine on this. This is just sweet. And then we have the Javelin, which is what the Javelin looks like. But tell me that's not a sweet ride. That would be a sweet ride. I think this one's neat because of the sleekness. It's big at the end, and then it's got the narrow front. Yeah, the dynamics in it is pretty cool. And this one is called the Prowler. It's a pretty cool car. And of course, here we go. Bob and Cherry's Driving Classic tonight features. I don't know if you guys remember the old A&W, and this is not a plug for A&W at all, but A&W, when they used to turn around, they used to have the drive-thrus, and they used to roller skate out with their trays. I thought that was so cool. They totally don't do that anymore. That was wicked. Okay, so now this is a sweet ride as well.
Just hold me tight.
I would ride this bike. Huh?
While I'm alone.
Oh, is this Michael
and blue
Bublé?
as can be.
Thank you, Michael
Dream a
Bublé.
little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss.
These are so cool. Now this one here, I love these old cars. I love them, they're cool.
It reminds me of Titanic.
This one here reminds you of Titanic? Yeah, look at the motor in that one. Damn. You're missing out, Robert. I think Robert would like this car here.
I'm gonna go get you.
Hmm?
I'm gonna go get you.
Oh. Well, then I just... Okay. It won't be that long. Let's just squeeze in front here, sorry. Back of my car. Oh, yeah, we should show this one. This one's so cute. I have to admit though, I also like this bike here. Can you read that? Freak Show Choppers. What happened to that other one?
I was checking out this website. See what website I found.
Oh, they took out the one with the bad words. That's not there anymore.
Same bike, it's just different caps.
Oh, okay. Okay, now this is a Bronco. This is definitely a cool Bronco. Did you drive this one, B?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And coming down on again, so make sure you look for him. Walk around.
Okay, now I'm gonna get You should switch lanes really quickly. Behave yourself.
I'm gonna get so natural here. You're gonna pose, you're gonna get natural. Alright.
Oh god, the boys are coming in.
Keep your hands to yourself, boys.
Hands in your pockets. Hands in the...
Especially you, Caleb.
I see how you got your arm there, boy.
He's coming back.
Who's coming back? Oh, okay. You have your own personal
Okay, everybody.
Nice.
He knows what I like.
Okay, so you want me to move over a little? He's got a good job.
John hates his job.
Yeah, he really hates a big smile on his face.
Deal with me all day. I'm fine.
So is he like a gopher too?
I wish.
You guys got some pictures of that, right? Did you take a picture of that?
No, way too much for
Oh, no, that's thin like.
Did you?
Oh.
Can you hold that then?
Just keep
Okay, one more. I
smiling.
got two more. For the boys.
Wow.
Tony, do your best Gene Simmons.
Yeah, both of you.
Best Gene. Who's the lollipop, bro?
I lose the lollipop.
Okay.
Hold your hand up higher, Tony. Can't see it.
Awesome.
Hey, Carrie, you out there with us?
He looks like he's trying. I want you to get closer.
How do you do it? I'm close enough.
Go like Gene Simmons, yeah. Tongue out.
Jeremy's gone.
Okay. Now I want. No, wait a minute! Don't go anywhere yet. What? I want you to stand there. I want you to videotape closer, and I want you to turn around and blow a kiss to Robert and say, "Robert, you totally missed this."
Oh no, you gotta pay for videos.
Again. With all the Gene Simmons paraphernalia. But the bike itself is the jewel. It's the family jewels. That thing is so cool. And in the back you can see the captain. And then we have all the display of different pictures that have been taken with the kids. And then here we have the Warbird, which is pretty cool. And if you look at the front back there. And then we have the Chris Cornell bike. This is actually little Tony's bike. So we have that one. Okay, now is this Tony's?
Yeah.
This is Tony's little Charger. That is so cute. I guess he doesn't ride that anymore.
Nope, but we're gonna cut that out again.
Are ya? And then we got the Deep Purple bike. All right. Sorry, this bike is the Sarah McLaughlin one.
Yeah.
And of course we have Rifflandia as well.
I love the seat for
I think the seat for Rifflandia is pretty cool. And of course our typical helmets. And then there's a little tiny bike here. Whose little bike is this?
Whose little bike is that?
It's Allie's little bike. She has got the littlest chopper of the group.